Pkxd, where everything is possible. We start our day with a smile, playing with friends, discovering secrets, embarking on adventures. Every moment here is filled with happiness. We jump through the clouds, flying in the sky. We paint our dreams in the colors of life. In our little town, everything is available. We live the stories and achieve our hopes. The games are waiting for us, so let's start the adventure. We play and laugh, forgetting all our worries. In the world of Pkxd, we write our history. Every moment here is a beautiful memory. Let's enjoy the time and sing out loud. In the world of games we find everlasting happiness. Gathering friends, building new